Hi, this is Miss Jenny, and I'm a piano teacher. Today I'm going to do my first piano tutorial for absolute beginner. The song I have chosen to teach today is Mary Had a Little Lamb. Please enjoy. Before we start playing Mary Had a Little Lamb, we first need to learn the structure of the piano keyboard. You can notice the keys have two colors, white and black. And if we looked at the black keys first, you can easily find out there are two kinds of black key groups. The two black key group and the three black key group. Now let's take a look at the two black key groups. And around the two black keys, you can see there are three white keys, and they're named as C, D, E. Same for other two black key groups. Here's another one, C, D, E. Another one, C, D, E. Now let's take a look at the three black key groups. These are the three black key groups, and around these you can see four white keys. These four white keys are named as F, G, A, B, from left to right. Same for this group, F, G, A, B. We just continue to fill in the rest. Now we have learned how to name all the white keys on the keyboard. After learning the basics about the keyboard structure, we can now learn to play Mary Had a Little Lamb. Let's learn the right hand first. We need only 4 letters to play the right hand melody. Let's see which 4. We need 4 letters in the right hand melody. They are C, D, E, and G. We will look at how we are going to use these 4 letters to play on a real keyboard. Here I have written out all the letter names we need for the right hand melody. You can notice that only the 4 letter names we have talked about. Let's see how we will do it on the real keyboard. First, we need to find out where the C, D, E, and G are. If you still remember, we need 2 black keys to find out C, D, E. And then we need the 3 black keys to find out the G, which is here, F, G. And we're going to place our thumb on C, and your pinky will be on G. Now let's try out the melody. Now you can pause the video and try it out. Now let's talk about the left hand part. You can notice that we are only using 3 letters names here, C, F, and G. And when you see the F and G, they are put in this arrangement. We have to play them at the same time. Let's see where these letters are. If you still remember, we first need to find the 2 black key group, and you can find C. And this time, I'll put my pinky on it. And now you find your finger 1 and 2 on F and G. For each of these notes, we need to hold for 4 beats. Let's see how we'll do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you understand. And now you can pause the video and try out your practice. This is the end of today's tutorial. I hope you find it useful. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more piano tutorials for beginners. See you in my next video. Bye for now.